It's delish. Let's bake some cosmic cookies. You need rolled oats, spelt flour, chocolate chips, cane sugar, flax, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, coconut, raisins, some soy milk, water, blackstrap molasses, and canola oil. To bake my cosmic cookies, I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients in a stand mixture here. All the dry ingredients in here. We are going to start mixing them together. Soy milk goes in, canola oil. We will add a little bit water, and last but not least, we are going to add some molasses to it. Let's bake our cosmic cookies at 350 degrees for 24 minutes. Your cosmic cookies are ready. As my Nanima would say, you bake this cosmic cookie which just tastes like pinni. Well, you now have to try this recipe at home and let me know what your Nanima thinks about this recipe.